Hello, it is Nelia Tech once again on ITGENIUS CYBER in another tutorial, and today we are going to learn how to make a welcoming message in your Windows or in your operating system, whether it's XP, whether it's Windows 7, whether it's Windows 8.0, whether it's Windows 8.1 or Windows 10, previous or current update of the operating system you're using. Alright, so whatever you have to do is to follow my lead, and I would request you to be so closely and watching clearly and following. Alright, so let's start from zero. First of all what you have to do is create a file in under a file extension of Visual Basic Studio. So we are going to create a file. All what you have to do, if you're using Windows 7, then go to the search area, it will be down here. Go to the start button, under the typing area you'll find something like this. For those who are using Windows 8 and 10, it's kind of similar, that the search area is placed there and it's there so you can access it. But for Windows 7, you'll have to go to the start button, then type Notepad. So allocate the Notepad, open it, then you're going to type these following commands in your Notepad. Okay, if at all you don't want to type them, I can provide them in the description of the video, and they are going to be below, so you can just copy and paste into your Notepad in case of use. Okay, so we type dim. I'm going to declare speaks, then I also declare speech. I'm going to move slow so that we all happen to get the meaning of the command or the entire tutorial. Okay, dim, then space, speaks, comma, space, speech, then hit enter. Let me try to increase the format. Okay, so dim speaks, then comma, space, speech, then hit enter, type speaks, equals in quotes, then we put that welcome message that you want to hear. We are going to put welcome to ITGENIUS CYBER laptop. Okay, maybe that's the message that I want to hear if I happen to restart my PC, or if I happen to log off my PC and restart it again. Okay, and for the commands, still be careful about the upper cases and the lower cases. After this, specifying the command or the message that you want to be read, then hit enter, then type set caps, then set speech, equal create object, then we put this object, then we put brackets, then quotes. Within these quotes we put SAPI dot SP voice, and we close our quotes and we close the bracket. Okay, hit enter, then type speech dot speak right. So after that we save our file, save as. Maybe I'm going to save to the desktop. I'm saving the file there, so we try to save it as welcome.v.vbs, then go to where having save as type, then put all files. Okay, after that you save, then we can close that. Okay, so after that you copy your file, go to C, then go to users, then go to to the name of your PC, to the name of the computer that you're using. Let me try to go back. Go to C, then go to users, then find the name of your desktop or your laptop or your machine, then open it, then find app data. Sometimes app data is not there, so you have to go to view and show hidden files and tap this. If the hidden items are not checked, then you not see the app data, but you have to go there, then tick them so that you see the app data. So open app data, go to roaming, then go to Microsoft. After Microsoft, then find Windows, after Windows go to folder called start menu. I hope you're following. Then go to programs folder, and the programs folder look for startup. Alright, so we are pasting our file here. After pasting it, then you restart or you shut down, whatever you want. So the next time you log in on your machine, it will have to give you that computerized reading of welcome to ITGENIUS CYBER laptop or whatever message you had put in. So in the next video shoot, we are going to see after the restart how it really shows or how it really responds to the message that we had put in the PC. Alright, we are going to restart our PC to see how it really works. Okay, so I'll go ahead and restart.
Welcome to ITGENIUS CYBER laptop.
Alright, so it has successfully showed us that it responds according to the message that we had put in our welcoming message.